Now look at the sixth problem. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? Okay, now here we need to take the present ages of, let the present ages of Jacob and his son be x years and y years respectively. Okay, now he has given two conditions. What is that? The conditions are 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times the age of his son. So after 5 years, therefore 5 years hence. So what are the ages of Jacob and son? Age of Jacob is equal to x plus 5 years and age of his son is equal to y plus 5 years. Now, as per the condition 1. So what is that? Age of Jacob x plus 5 is equal to 3 times the age of his son, means y plus 5. This is after 5 years. Okay, now let us simplify this. X plus 5 is equal to 3y plus 3 into 550. Now x 3y, if you take to LHS, minus 3y plus 5 minus 15 is equal to 0. We get x minus 3y minus 10 is equal to 0. This is the first equation. Now the next condition, 5 years ago. 5 years ago, age of Jacob. What is the age of Jacob 5 years ago? That is x minus 5. And age of his son, obviously y minus 5 years. Now condition 2. What is the condition? That is, age of Jacob is 7 times his son's age, means x minus 5 is equal to 7 times his son's age when it is 5 years ago. Now let us solve this. Now this implies x minus 5 minus 7y is equal to 7y minus 7 into 5, 35. X minus 7y minus 5 plus 35 is equal to 0. Now x minus 7y minus 5 plus 35 is 30 is equal to 0. Let us take this as the second equation. Now we have got a pair of linear equations. Let us solve them by using the substitution method. Now from the first equation, from the equation 1, what is the first equation? X minus 3y minus 10 is equal to 0. This we can write as 3y plus 10. X is equal to 3y plus 10. Now substitute x is equal to 3y plus 10 in the equation 2. Why? Because this has been extracted from the first equation. The results so obtained should be substituted in the equation 2. This implies, what is the equation 2? X minus 7y minus plus 30. This is the second equation. X minus x value 3y plus 10. Now this implies 3y plus 10 minus 7y plus 30 is equal to 0. Now 3y minus 4y, 3y minus 7y is minus 4y plus 10 plus 30 is plus 40 is equal to 0. Minus 4y is equal to minus 40. Then y is equal to 40 by 4, we get 10. Now substitute y is equal to 10 in the third equation. Okay, then we get, what is the third equation? Okay, now this has to be taken as the third equation, x value. Now x is equal to 3, y plus 10, y value 10. 3 times 30 plus 10, that is called 40. Okay, therefore x is equal to 40. So x value, we got both the values x and y. X value is 40 and y value is 10. Okay, therefore we can write, therefore present ages of Jacob is, what is the x value? 40 years, and that of his son is 10 years. Okay, let me explain the problem once again. Here he has given two conditions about the ages of Jacob and his son. Okay, so we have taken Jacob and his son says, let the present age of Jacob and his be x years and y years. Now 5 years hence means after 5 years the Jacob's age will be x plus 5 and son's age will be y plus 5. What is the relation given after 5 years? Jacob age is 3 times the age of his son. So x plus 5 is equal to 3 into y plus 5. So we can write x plus 5 is equal to 3y plus 15. From this we get x minus 3y minus 10 is equal to 0. Let us take it as the first equation. Now 5 years ago, okay, the Jacob's age is x minus 5 and his son's age is y minus 5. Now the relation given is Jacob's age was 7 times the age of his son. So x minus 5 is equal to 7 into y minus 5. We get x minus 7y plus 30 is equal to 0. From these two equations 1 and 2, by using the substitution method, we get the values of x and y as 40 and 10. Therefore, the ages of Jacob and his son are 40 and 10 years. Okay. Now, we have completed the exercise 3.3. 3.3. In the next exercise, we are going to do the exercise 3.4 by using another method, that is elimination method. So, in the next class, we are going to learn the elimination method. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.